Where's your helmet?
You need a helmet.
Ready? Want to see how high this bounces?
Oh, bubble.
Where the heck?
Whoa.
Hey, Nana's riding Robert's bike.
Come on, Nana.
That's my butt.
Oh my God.
You're going on YouTube.
I can't believe it. You can't drive one-handed. Or Papa Wheelie. Hey, look. Nana's riding Robert's bike. I'm coming to get you.
Stay out of the road.
Where did she go?
Down the road.
Hang on.
What the hell? Tomorrow when you wake up, you're gonna be like, what is wrong? What